Welcome to Now Leo Know, where curiosity roars loud. Wait, what if I told you that there's a creature out there whose heart is in its head? No, I'm not talking about your ex who always said, "I follow my heart, not my brain." I'm talking about one of the ocean's tiniest, sassiest, and surprisingly weirdest animals. The shrimp. Yeah, the shrimp. That little pink thing you dip in sauce at parties? It's got more plot twists than a K-drama. Today, we're diving deep, not just into the ocean, but into the crustacean nation. We're going to find out why a shrimp's heart is in its head, what other animals are packing internal surprises, and whether maybe, just maybe, shrimp are smarter than we think. Oh, and by the end of this video, I guarantee you'll never look at seafood the same way again. Alright, let's get technical. But don't worry, I won't hit you with boring biology lecture vibes. Here's the shrimp scoop. Shrimps are arthropods, aka they've got exoskeletons and jointed legs. But here's the crazy part. Unlike us humans, whose hearts are tucked away nicely in our chests, shrimps have their hearts located just behind their heads, basically between their eyes and neck. Why? Because shrimp don't really have a head and thorax like us. In shrimp terms, it's all mashed into one body section called the cephalothorax. Fancy word, but it just means, hey, everything important's going up top. Their heart, in the upper chest/head zone, their stomach, right behind the heart. It's like a living fast food drive-thru. You enter through the mouth, get digested upstairs, then, well, you know where it goes from there. So, why the heck would evolution put the shrimp's most important organ near its brain? Turns out, it's all about efficiency. By having the heart close to the central nerve system and brain, blood, or more accurately hemolymph, shrimp juice basically, doesn't have to travel far. It's an optimized little engine for a tiny creature that needs quick reactions to avoid predators. Remember, shrimp aren't just chillin'. They're food for a lot of things, including humans. Having a compact design helps them zip away quickly, sense danger, and live their short but surprisingly action-packed lives. And speaking of brains, here's the kicker. Shrimps have a brain, but it's not what you'd expect. It's a ganglia-based system, like a Wi-Fi router connected to several modems in its body. The main brain node is near the heart, but the shrimp also has mini brains, little clusters of neurons throughout its body that control different functions. So it's like, each shrimp is basically a tiny, edible multi-core processor. Intel wishes. Okay, shrimp aren't the only ones playing organ Tetris inside their bodies. Check these out. Octopus. 3 hearts. 2 of them stop beating when it swims. What a diva. Giraffes. Their hearts are so powerful they pump blood all the way up that ridiculously long neck. We'll talk about long-distance relationships. Ducks. Some species have corkscrew-shaped. You know what? Yes, nature's unhinged. Snakes. Their hearts can literally move inside their body when they slither. Nature didn't come to play. Now you might be thinking, wait, if the shrimp's heart is in its head, and I just ate shrimp tempura, did I just munch on its soul? Relax. Most of the time, shrimp are deheaded before serving, so you probably didn't eat the heart. Unless you like head-on garlic butter shrimp, you savage. Also, the heart's tiny and there's no emotion stored in it. You're good, probably. So the next time you see a shrimp on your plate, take a second and whisper, "Hey little guy, I know your secret. Your heart was in your head all along." And maybe, just maybe, it's not that weird. After all, some of us humans could use a little more heart and brains up there too. If you learned something weird and awesome today, hit that like, subscribe, and drop a shrimp in the comments if you made it to the end. We've got more jaw-dropping animal trivia and mind-blowing facts coming up every week. So stay curious, stay weird, and I'll see you next time.